Welcome. It is a pleasure to welcome you to Module 3 of our exciting online journey. Before we dive into the rich content awaiting you, let me start by acknowledging the fantastic work you've been doing so far. Mr. Mac has been singing your praises, and I want to encourage you to keep up the outstanding work. As we step into Module 3, we're embarking on a journey that's not just about learning, but also about practical application. Today, I want to share with you what is of utmost importance at my company when it comes to interactive multimedia. At my company, we value creativity, innovation, and the ability to transform ideas into engaging and visually appealing digital experiences. Interactive multimedia is at the heart of what we do, and we believe that practice is the key to excellence. That's precisely why Module 3 is structured to focus with hands-on practice and real-world applications. Our first assignment in Module 3 is a significant one. You'll be diving into the world of redesign, where you'll have the opportunity to reshape the look and feel of a Wix.com template. This task is pivotal because it empowers you to put theory into practice. You'll be exploring how the manipulation of fonts, layout, graphics, and colors can transform a digital space into a captivating narrative. Additionally, we'll delve into the art of manipulating a Google Slides template, further honing your skills in crafting compelling multimedia presentations. Remember that every assignment, every redesign, every creative decision you make is a step towards your growth as a content creator. Practice is your secret weapon, and your portfolio is your passport to a world of possibilities. But here's the exciting part. Your creations in this module will find a special place in your portfolio. Why is this important? Well, because your portfolio is not just a showcase of your skills, it's also a potential gateway to future employment opportunities. My company is eagerly looking forward to seeing the fruits of your labor in your portfolio. Who knows, your work here could lead to exciting career prospects. So, let's dive in, embrace the challenges, and create digital magic together. The art of typography. As content creators, our canvas extends beyond visuals. It encompasses the very essence of communication. Typography, the art of arranging type to make language visible, is a potent tool in your creative arsenal. It's not just about choosing pretty fonts, it's about how you wield them to convey your message effectively. Kerning, tracking, and leading. Three indispensable facets of typography. Kerning, tracking, and leading hold the key to transforming text into a compelling visual narrative. Kerning is about adjusting the space between individual letters, ensuring readability without clutter or confusion. Tracking extends this concept, allowing you to modify the spacing throughout entire words or phrases. It's a delicate dance that must be performed with finesse to maintain legibility. Leading, on the other hand, governs the vertical spacing between lines of text, making sure the distance from the bottom of one line to the top of the next is just right. These elements, when mastered, enable you to craft text that is not just informative, but also visually engaging.
Balancing text and screen space. But here's the challenge: how do you balance the desire for expressive typography with the need for a digestible viewing experience? The answer lies in understanding the art of space. Effective use of space ensures that your text communicates without overwhelming or underwhelming your audience. It's about finding that sweet spot, where the words are inviting and easily absorbed. Now, let's revisit the importance of interface design, a cornerstone of content creation. Think of typography as an integral part of this design. The fonts you choose, the way you arrange them, and how you manipulate space all play a vital role in creating an inviting digital space. The Big Four reiterated, and as we delve into this module, don't forget the Big Four: contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. These principles are your steadfast companions in this creative journey. Whether you're designing an interface, crafting typography, or working on multimedia, these principles guide your steps. Accessibility and design. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, accessibility remains paramount. Properly coded buttons and links ensure that your content is inclusive and usable by all, including those who rely on screen readers. The world of HTML. Speaking of coding, HTML continues to be a powerhouse in shaping the digital realm. From web pages to game development, it's the language of the internet. Understanding its real-world applications is essential as a content creator. Before we conclude, let's revisit the inspiring future that awaits content creators. The ability to engage, inspire, and captivate viewers is your superpower. Opportunities abound, from corporate communications to freelance specialists. The entrepreneurial spirit can flourish, particularly in the dynamic realms of film and music production. Video content. In the realm of multimedia, video is a canvas waiting for your creative strokes. The future is going to hold more opportunities for video creation and engagement, as you can see from these videos of Mr. Mac shooting video all over the world.
I'm just doing a 3-camera multi-camera video shoot out here in Tucson. Just hope you're enjoying it and the assignments, and don't be afraid to give me a call. Hey, this is Mr. Mac doing a little selfie here, doing some video off my phone here in Maui. Actually doing some other video work with a little different equipment. So you never know where video is going to lead you. You're in the right area. Interactive multimedia takes a little bit of everything. So I'll be back in Ohio, I think next Monday, but just wanted to send you a little postcard. Alright, do your homework for the next session. We've got assignment D. We'll get into some animation, and this is Mr. Mac here from, I think, Guatemala, doing some video. And it's a beautiful day here, so do your homework.
When it comes to video production, of course, I want to emphasize a crucial aspect of any creative project, whether it's audio, video, graphic design, animation, web design, or more. The key steps are plan, select, refine, but the principles of contrast, alignment, and proximity can apply to video as well. They are your guiding stars in the video production journey. So, remember, whether it's audio or any other project, the plan, select, refine mantra is your pathway to success. Now, let's get those creative gears turning and produce something extraordinary.
As we approach the end, remember that your creative journey is a path of continuous growth. Mistakes are stepping stones to mastery, and an open mind is your most valuable asset. For the audio podcast project in Module 3, you'll be recording a podcast with a music intro. It all begins with planning. Take the time to carefully outline what you want to convey in your recording. Structure and your content, decide on the tone, and set clear objectives. Planning is your roadmap to a successful project.
Hands-on practice and portfolio building. To truly become a content creator, you must immerse yourself in the craft. Create digital artifacts, build a portfolio, and showcase your skills. This is where you'll see your growth and your unique voice emerge. In closing, the canvas of content creation is vast and ever-expanding. Typography is your brush, and space is your palette. With these tools and an unwavering commitment to creativity, you can shape the digital world in ways you've never imagined. Remember, creativity is a beautiful dance between imagination and technique. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it lead you to greatness. The future is yours to create, so go forth and weave your digital dreams.